Hello and welcome to my Sonde from. So today is Thanksgiving and I just want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys find yourself safe and I hope you guys find a hot plate and um, get down with that turkey and just have fun today. Just relax. Today's a national holiday, so I hope everybody's doing good and celebrating this American tradition. And I think it's an important tradition, even though some of you guys might not be in the United States. I think this tradition, it should spark something in everybody. If you just heard of it, especially this today signifies a day where these pilgrims, they call them pilgrims, I believe they're a Quaker, they came from Europe to find religious freedom. And native peoples of the Americas got together and made a meal. And they made this meal because they wanted to celebrate. Like they were just found themselves enjoying the day. They were very happy. And that day, they just wanted to make a great meal. And they came together with recipes and they embraced each other's heritage through cooking. And also, together, they created this wonderful holiday that now, for the longest time, we have celebrated and designated this day to which two different peoples have created this environment to which I think is a good backdrop for settling America. So, if you know American history, I have a Powerade Zero. It's great. I have two conies and chili, just spaghetti chili. And then I have beans, onions, cheese, and my coni put Popeye's New Orleans style mustard, the Mardi Gras style. And yeah, I had to thaw out these onions real fast because I forgot them in the freezer. But I just soaked them in water. So let's give it a good taste and see how we did. I made a can of chili, to Cincinnati chili. If you want that recipe, you can find it. And then these beans, of course, are homemade. If you want that recipe, I uploaded it yesterday. Mmm, delicious. I love it. Let's try a coney. Mmm, that mustard is really good. I love that mustard. So my hot dog buns are homemade. I made them ahead of time and froze them that way. I can just enjoy myself on Thanksgiving. When I cook, it's usually something really fast, and then when I cook for others, it's probably gonna take a lot longer because I want everybody to like their meal. But for me, I just make something really simple and you know traditional. But like we always have tamales, brisket, like all the barbecue stuff, hot dogs, hamburgers, chicken. We have all that stuff on Thanksgiving, and we have a turkey and all the sides that come with Thanksgiving, pies, cakes. hmm But my family's kind of big, and we kind of enjoy visiting each other on Thanksgiving, and so you know everybody gets to eat that day. We usually don't have a lot of leftovers, and I like those Thanksgivings where everybody's available, and it makes it so much funner. Mm. I think this Thanksgiving, I think this chili is just that much more flavorful. But one thing for sure that I am missing is nothing to do with my recipes. My family is states away, so because I dedicated this year to filming, and it's only my third year, um, I feel like I feel so estranged, and I know I shouldn't feel that way, but I do, and I enjoy my mukbangs with you guys because it feels like there's sort of a connection, even though I can't physically be there. I know somebody will mention me to them, and it makes me feel closer. Grabbed a napkin. Sorry, guys. Mm. So I think I have two uploads today. I hope you guys check them out. One's on weather, and one is just my journal. And I hope you guys let me know what you guys think. And that way we can have some interactions. And I'll know what you guys want me to upload next. So I did see the Macy's Day Parade. And all the performances. I liked all the dancing with the kids and stuff. That was cool. I turned it on like right when you see the Ninja Turtles. I was like, oh, no way. No way. It was really cool. And I thought for sure, I was like, ooh, you have this great parade. This morning, I was like, man, oh, I'm about to put my shoes on, go check it out. And I grabbed my phone and I looked out the window, and it was like the band was like, the kids' band was like already putting up their instruments and stuff. And I was like, I missed the whole thing. Like, I heard it get close, but they were just coming home. They're coming back from the. They're listening to hardcore rap. I'm like bobbing my head. You probably can't hear it, but you know, this time I used so little ingredients. It like freaked me out. I wanted to buy the little packet. The little packets are like between probably $8, $5 to $8. I don't remember using them, but you know, if they work, they work. I'm gonna watch the game later if I haven't missed it yet, and hoping the Bengals win. And Joe Burrow's playing this game, so hopefully he's building up to it. Because I really think that we have a good shot at winning this one. I don't know. I really don't pay attention to the other team because I know when my team has it, like they really have it. Let's be honest, when they got it, they really got it. Mm. I don't even pay attention to no other team. Their motto is "Who they? Who are they?" Nobody cares. When they're on one, they're gonna be on one, and they're gonna win. Period. So I don't be checking up on other teams. I like a good game, don't get me wrong, but I don't be checking up on stats and stuff but that much. When I was a kid, I used to. But that was before they used to cheat and flex on Instagram that they had a solid win. Who said that? The only team that ever complained about the Bengals was the ones from the Super Bowl. They never complained. I always wondered why. Is it true? Did they go easy on them? That's what everybody says. Every time they think they're gonna play the Bengals, they get drunk, really drunk, and start shit posting on Twitter. So, I mean, there's signs. Don't get me wrong, there's signs and symptoms, but, you know, they never vocalize it, you know. Yeah. I give my Thanksgiving a 10 out of 10. Mm. They had so many deals for the Thanksgiving dinner, but I don't know. I just don't think, I don't know. I just don't think, like, if I could ever, like, make my own Thanksgiving. I'm thinking if I ever have to, because I live in Ohio now, so I'm thinking if I ever have to make a Thanksgiving or any holiday dinner, like, I'm gonna have to hire somebody to plan it because, like, how do you do all that? Like, thousands of dollars just planning for the meal. I mean, like, plates, forks, napkins, drinks, the turkey. How many turkeys is too much? And is goose, like, really taboo? Because I feel like you're gonna hit a poultry ceiling when you bring out so many turkeys. People are gonna be like, wow, you overdid it this time. Cancelled. They told me that at my teen staff. They were like, this is too much. I was like, it's too much, but you, like, literally swam to get here because we flooded. I don't have the pictures, but I have a cousin that has them. I'll show you guys one day. I promise. Because we had a spread that day. You know what we had? I think we had tamales. I haven't had tamales like in, well, actually, the first year that I was here, me and my mom made tamales. But I haven't had any really since. But they have lots of different tamales in my neighborhood. But I had a good time eating what I did make for myself because I feel like today is a special day because my team's on the TV and I just wanted to celebrate the holiday how I knew how and put my heart in it and kind of give you guys a glimpse at what it's like, you know, to be having Thanksgiving in Studio C. Um, but again, appreciate you guys for being here and enjoying it with me. And like I said, I want to hear some feedback from anything recent, anything. And also too, again, happy Thanksgiving. Give this a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My son different. Bye bye.